So I've been working on a 2017 MacBook Air, which is now 10 years old, and it's getting harder and harder to work on this one because the last vlog that I did, it took me 4 hours to render it with it. So, I decided to upgrade this baby without breaking the bank. This is why I got this one. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this. Wow. That is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so slick. Wow, look at the size. This is my hand. It's like, yeah, the size of my hand. Wow, so slick. This is so small. This has 16 gigabytes with the M4 chip, and the old one, it was a 8 gigabytes Intel chip. Yeah. It says that compared to the Intel one, the M4 chip is 20 times faster. So we'll see. Wow. I'm gonna... Ah la 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 la. This smells luxury, guys. Okay, it's fine. I get it. Let's test this out. It's a mess here. Oh my god. I forgot one thing is that this Mac Mini doesn't have ABC. Doesn't have USB-A port. And my mouse and my keyboard need the USB-A to be plugged in. So I need to buy the USB-C adapter for it. Dang! Forgot this one. Now, finally, I can get this baby working. Since I sprained my wrist, I'm not going to make pottery in this vlog because I think I was too impatient for the recovery and it actually never fully healed. It still hurts when I twist it in some direction, so this is why I still need to wear my splint and rest my wrist as much as I can. So, we are just going to chill and romanticize all the daily chores, but mundane style. and you should really take your time with recovery. Because I really regret not putting on my splint after I sprained my wrist, and it's taking way more time than it should be to recover, I think, because now it has been almost 2 months and I didn't put it on for a month. So, yeah. And by so, I'm going to make a high protein home cooked meal, which has tofu, chicken, and cabbage all mixed together. I made it a couple of times now. It's not delicious, it's eatable. So, yeah. And I've been taking this time off to put more thoughts on my whole packaging thing for the small business. And I just saw a lot of small business owners do it, and I just also really wanted to do it, which is to incorporate a really heartfelt and genuine little artsy touch on every package, even though I know if this is sustainable at some point, but starting from zero, I just wanted to make it more personal and genuine, which leads me to the small Lazy Slime Sun mailer art that I had in my draft for way too long. It just felt right to use this design to make the mailer stamp, so I just gonna show you. This is the design. I just made the line art for the cute Lazy Slime Sun mailer. I added the studio name on it, and also like you've got a mail message so that it just felt personal. But I just felt that alone on an envelope, the stand will look a bit lonely. I also wanted to make something more like, not casual, but more formal and official on the package. This one I made it on Adobe Express, which is really easy to use. This is it. So, sincerely, Hokori Studio. I don't know why sincerely. The word sincerely, for me, it just felt right to use sincerely. It just sounds like thank you. Thank you for supporting my small dream and my small business. It means a lot to me. And this is why I find sincerely evoke this gratefulness to me. And I just hope that people could understand it, this message this way as well. So yeah, explanation finished. And by the way, if you haven't noticed it yet, I rebranded the whole small business under the name Hokari & Co. Studio. And the story behind it is that we all know that life isn't perfect. Actually, nothing is really perfect, but I want and I hope that when people are sipping their morning coffee or their night tea using one of my mugs or any other type of vessels, they can fully enjoy that little moment, making it feel just more relaxing and calming. Just taking a second to slow down, take a breath, and appreciate that small moment of comfort, enjoying life. So whether it's through cute characters, soft colors, or just little details that could make people feel a little bit better, I want my art to share this heartwarming coziness to them. This is the feeling that I want my art to bring to people. And this is why I rebranded it under Hokori, which in Japanese means coziness, cozy moments, heartwarming moments. And I added the "enko" because I don't want my small business and my creativity to be restricted to only clay art, as I'm also designing and making stickers and maybe more in the future, but that's a whole other story. And so I've been redesigning my new banner on YouTube. I really just wanted to make it simple, minimalist, refined, clean. You get the idea. With soft colors. Let me show you. Also, I'm designing some pottery stems for the upcoming ceramic collection, which will make the final outcome cleaner and more regular, which is something that I look into when doing pottery, that things look clean cut and sharp, if that makes any sense. Not really deformed like pinch pot, because I don't really like the irregular look of pinch pots. Anyways, I am so excited to get them because this will make the decorating process way faster and look more professional. A way to work smarter, not harder. I think that is still a good period of time for slowing down and taking another viewpoint on building this business, even though, not gonna lie, I was thinking about launching it this month, which is in March, and we're near the end of March, but this is definitely not happening, and so that might be postponed until summertime or September for the latest, I hope so. Mainly because I'm also making plans for my yearly vacay, and it's 95% sure I'll be away early May for a good month. So yeah, a lot of things going on here actually, and just life in between. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!